Alright, so I'm the coach of Arnett Gardens, Coach Xavier Gilbert. Firstly, Coach, the performance this evening, just your initial reactions to that.
I mean, there were some good moments, but also some disappointing moments, you know. We started off the game way too flat. Very, very disappointed the way we started off. And I mean, to be honest, I thought there were some areas and some spaces that we got to play that Cavalier allowed us. We just didn't capitalize on those moments and those areas, you know. And for that, I'm disappointed. It's something that we work on in the training, something that we spoke about, something that we knew was coming at us. And we just didn't adjust. Also, they pressed us early, and we didn't make the necessary adjustment that we should have early in the game, and you know, put us under a little bit of pressure.
Any questions?
Yes, Coach. You have been very busy with the playoffs coming into the semifinals. How much were you able to execute the game plan that you came into this game?
For some parts we were. Again, as I said, disappointed with some aspect of it. And I thought we created some good opportunities. And I mean, we just have to be a little bit more composed and make better decisions up top.
Last the skipper early in the second half, Coach, do you think that had an impact on what you have wanted in terms of the front of goal?
And what is the actual state of the skipper?
I mean, we don't know yet. The medical team will make that. You know, of course, he'll have to go further test to see. I mean, looking at it now, it doesn't seem as if it's something that can be fixed right away or quickly. That's just me observing. And of course, having our top striker out of the game, of course, definitely. But you know, it's an opportunity for others to step up. And I think they tried, to be honest. Again, we did make some good decisions up top. And I mean, we probably could have nicked one or two more goals.
Coach, would you say that we have seen enough from a team tonight to convince you that you can take it over the second half?
I mean, I've always been confident, and I know that any team in the playoff have a chance to win. And it's a team that makes the least amount of mistake on the day. You know, everybody is close. This is a different thing, you know. I mean, the playoffs, everybody is. I mean, the crowd, the atmosphere itself is a motivation and incentive for the players. So I mean, players will come out and execute and turn up big, you know, to play in a atmosphere like this. So any team can take it home.
Are you concerned about the typical slow start that you have in this game? Because we didn't see that in the first two games.
Yes and no. You have to be concerned. I mean, you have to look at what might have contributed to it. I mean, you have to go back to preparation right through. Look at everything, what we did, time we did it, and if where we need to make adjustment, we just have to. We have to look at was the intensity of the warm up, was where it was, all of those things. So we always do a review and see, and then of course we adjust accordingly.
Yeah, Coach. Despite the slow start and the early substitution, you still took the lead. Were you kind of disappointed in the manner in which you conceded that equalizer?
For sure, because I mean, this is something that we spoke about. We got to close on the players. It's a team that is very good in the air, you know. So we don't have the tall players to challenge with them. If we were, then we could have dealt with it. So we didn't want to deal with those balls coming inside the box. So the objective was to close it down and deny them playing balls forward, and we just didn't. We were way too lethargic in closing down the ball.
Can I take one more?
Yes. Coach, 26 games preliminary, 3 games in playoff and quarterfinals. Do you think, looking at the team, manpower, defensive, midfield, and attacking, you have them to take you over the line and take your title in the first season here?
Whether do I think it, yes or no, the other ones are here. We just have to get the job done.
Thanks, Coach. Appreciate it.
Okay.